start with chapter number 10, the Bermuda Triangle. There is a spot in Atlantic Ocean, east of United States, where many strange incident has taken place. Planes have disappeared from radar screen and ships have been found with no prey. बहुत सारे इंसिडेंट हुआ है, प्लेन को दिखाई नहीं दिया और डिसअपियर हो गया अपने रडार स्क्रीन से, और बहुत सी शिप तो आपको मिली नहीं. Many small boats and aircraft has gone missing, and these incidents have one unfortunate fact common. They are mysteries that have not been solved. ये mysteries थी जो आज तक अभी solve नहीं हुई. This zone of peril began to known like a Darrell's Triangle in Porto. See, at the recent Darrell, a journalist coined the term Bermuda Triangle in 1964. Later, the Charles Bartlett used the name in his book Bermuda Triangle, and the book was bestseller. इस book के bestseller में आती है. On the map, Bermuda Triangle can be marked out of rough triangles stretching from Miami to Puerto Rico and then from Bermuda and back to Miami. But the power of this mysterious stretch of ocean is felt beyond the boundary. आपने देखा कि बहुत सारे एयरक्राफ्ट और शिप जो है जो वैनिश हो गए थे, कोई ट्रेस नहीं मिला है बर्मुडा ट्रायंगल जोन पे, बट फ्यू पीपल हैव सर्वाइव टू शेयर देयर टेरिफाइंग एक्सपीरियंस. जो लोग थोड़े बहुत सर्वाइव करें उन्होंने अपना वो टेरिफाइंग एक्सपीरियंस हमें बताया. Others have left recording in their radio communication before disappearing in the same way. These recordings tells us about compasses that went out of control, or the strong fog which covered the sea and the sky, and unidentified flying objects that were sighted. One of these occurred in 1980 when pilots Joe Torres and George Santos were flying, and the radio transmission something during the flight said there was UFO. एक UFO था part में, no one heard from them and so after, and it seemed that the plane and its crew had simply vanished. There are also first-hand account from the people like Captain Don Harry, जिन्होंने एक confirm करा एक tragic happening. My mysteries of the Bermuda Triangle have remained unsolved. One morning in January 1948, Bassa Tudor Fort, ठीक है, और एयरलाइनर स्टार टाइगर सडनली डिसअपियर हुए. इट वाज लेस देन 2 hours अवे फ्रॉम डेस्टिनेशन. अ रिपोर्ट ऑन दिस इंसिडेंट कंक्लूडेड द डिसअपियरिंग स्टार टाइगर मस्ट रिमेन एन अनसॉल्व्ड स्टोरी. एक स्टोरी थी जो अनसॉल्व रही, सॉल्व ही नहीं. Almost a year later, on 7 January, another airliner Star Aerial bounded from Jamaica and took off to Bermuda. It was never heard of again. इसके बारे में दोबारा सुना ही नहीं गया. A few days earlier, DC-3 airliner had approached Miami International and Airport. इसमें 31 passengers थे and crew on board. और जो पायलट थे उन्होंने रेडियो ऑन करा to say that he was only 8 kilometers away and that was the last that was ever had was seen on the plane. The reason in which it appeared had shallow seas, but the wreckage was not found. But there was nothing. It wasn't there having no plane. ऐसा था कि जैसे वहाँ पे कोई plane था ही नहीं है, ना ही कोई crew. Such extreme disappearance made people take notice of this mysterious section. In 1952, एक journalist थे जॉर्ज सेंट. इन्होंने एक आर्टिकल लिखा इसके बारे में disappearance of flight and other odd incidents in October issues magazine, was called Fate Captain. He described the reason as a watery triangle surrounded roughly by Florida, Bermuda or Puerto Rico. Then again on 3rd February 1963, एक FS Marine Sulphur Queen mysteriously disappeared in south coast of Florida. Neither the ship or not the 39 crew member were ever. जो 39 members थे crew थे वो भी नहीं मिले. Many search and rescue attempts have been made by Coast Guard in Bermuda, but none of them has revealed any trace of accident. The environment of the mid-Atlantic area was hazardous in some incident, and the ocean has fast-running currents जो कैरी करता है ब्लैकेज अवे फ्रॉम प्रेशर से. और जो एवेंजर्स थे वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी फ्लाइट 90 ये क्रैश हुई एंड देयर वाज वेरी लिटिल चांस ऑफ फाइटिंग पार्ट्स ऑफ यूनिटी. And not finding evidence is quite unusual for plane crashes, shipwrecks at sea, and only deepens the mystery. The U.S. Coast Guard believed that the harsh natural condition, proven mistake और mechanical failure ये रीजन थे. ये कुछ रीजन बताए उन्होंने डिजास्टर के जो इस जोन में लोगों ने एक्सपीरियंस कर. ठीक है, until now more than 100 planes and countless boats have gone missing, and it this only a coincidence or it is because the place is cursed by supernatural forces. वे कह रहा है क्या ये सिर्फ एक इंसिडेंट है या जो जगह है वो सुपरनैचुरल फोर्सेस से घिरी हुई है. perhaps we'll never know. आज तक हमें कभी पता ही नहीं। ठीक है? Hope you understood the chapter. That's all for today. Thank you.